Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this video, I'll show you how to deposit money on Trust Wallet, step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Trust Wallet app and make sure it's updated to the latest version. Step 2. On the home screen, tap on the token you want to receive, for example, USDT or BNB. Step 3. Tap the Receive button. This shows your wallet address and QR code. Step 4. Copy the wallet address or scan the QR code. Step 5. Go to the platform or wallet you're sending money from, like Binance or Coinbase. Step 6. Paste the copied Trust Wallet address into the recipient field and choose the correct network. TRC20, BEP20, or ERC20, depending on the token. Step 7. Enter the amount, confirm, and send. Make sure the network you select matches. Trust wallets using the wrong network can result in permanent loss of funds. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, your money will appear in Trust Wallet. If this helped, like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.